In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the File365 gallery. But you might ask, why use the file gallery? Well, let's take a look at a quick example. Let's say you're a realtor agent in our city of Amsterdam. While presenting houses and apartments, you use a Salesforce app to keep track of details and information about the properties. In this case, the file gallery can be used to have a quick and clean access to pictures, floor plans, and even documents related to the residents. In addition, I have set up the account object to carry contracts and other agreements. Within the scenario, they will be representing the seller of the property. In the end, our agent will be able to pull up any file regarding the property and show them to potential buyers, without trial and error of finding the right file by name or description. Now that we understand this use case, let me show you how to set it up. For this tutorial, I've already set up two objects, the account and the property, with a lookup relation in between them. And it's good to keep this in mind. First, I prepare an object location. To start, head to the File365 app and the Object Locations tab within. I will make an object location for both the property and the account object, as I want to be able to upload files for both. When creating a new location, take note of which object you created for and the named credentials you select. You can learn more about named credentials in our previous video. After selecting your values, move to Salesforce Setup. Open the Object Manager, navigate to the fields and relationships of the File365 object. Create a new field of type Lookup Relation. In our scenario, we will want two of them. One that points to the property object and another that points to the account object. Now that File365 has a direct relation to both objects, all I have to do is to display them on a record page. To do as such, we need to go to the properties record pages and click Edit Page. From here on, it's as simple as dragging the File365 gallery component and saving. After doing the same on the account page, we are all set up. While we are done for each singular object, we also want to display all account files on the properties relating to it. How would we go about that? All we have to do is place a second gallery component and amend the field Select Field to Relate Files from the default ID to the field name of our object relation. In our case, that would be Seller. And with that, we are done. Here I will demonstrate by uploading a handful of files to both records, starting with the seller and moving on to the property. Take note of how the files we prepared for the seller are easily accessible in the property record, coming together in a clean overview. And thus, with an easy setup, you have access to your files in a far more user-friendly fashion. From here on, you can preview, download, edit and even delete your files using File365. Thank you for watching. For anything that might be unclear, please refer to the user guide or try contacting us at our website fluentit.nl. Don't forget to like and subscribe for any future updates to the File365 product.